Welcome to our guide on streaming movies on your smart TV for free. Today, we'll share tips and tools to enjoy movies without breaking the bank. Streaming with free apps allows you to enjoy a wide range of movies without monthly subscriptions, making your movie nights budget-friendly. There are several popular free streaming apps out there. Some of the top ones include Tubi, Crackle, and Pluto TV. Let's take a closer look. Installing these apps is easy. Simply access your TV's app store, search for the app you want, and hit install. It's as simple as that. Once installed, navigating the interface of your streaming app is straightforward. Let's explore the key features you'll encounter. Use the search feature to find your favorite movies easily. Check out categories and recommendations based on your viewing history to discover new gems. Remember, many free apps are ad-supported. While ads can be a bit annoying, they help keep the service free. Get ready for a few short interruptions. Many apps come with extra features like creating watch lists and offline viewing. Explore these to enhance your streaming experience. For the best streaming experience, ensure your smart TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Here's how to do it in just a few steps. And there you have it. With free streaming apps, you can enjoy your favorite films without spending a dime. Grab your popcorn and enjoy streaming.